to another video. So today we're gonna be like doing like a collection haul. So I just got this new visual. I'm gonna show you guys it because I like just got this new. I wanted to open it for you, so I hadn't took out of the case, but I did open the box. So let me show you guys. So guys, this is the card. Oh, wait. I think that's, wait, or I can not level. Alright, so I have this. So, 3, 2, 1. I got gloves. Oh, sorry. I actually did it the wrong way. Let's redo that video. Because back when I was my sister's, I realized I got the wrong one because, oh, I got the right one. I just changed it. So this is the one I had because my sister also got one. But like, my stepsister. Oh, so, we're opening it. This time it's for reals though. I really hope I had it open to see when there's so we'll see. Okay guys, let me just do this really quick. Oh my gosh, I really wanted this one. I got love. Looks so cute. Well, that's all for this video. Hope you guys like it. I just wanted to show you the thing I got. So yeah, I hope you love it. My little beans videos, I don't know why it would be, but bye, love you all. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, I've been really waiting this one. Oh, it's yours. Okay. She's on here. Oh my, cut. That was like horrible.